Have you ever wondered why 90% of traders, and maybe even more, end up losing money? It's a question that haunts both beginners and even some seasoned veterans. The common belief is that the market is just too complex, too unpredictable. A rigged game for the big players. But what if I told you the real reason isn't the market at all? The real enemy isn't the charts, the indicators, or the news. The real enemy is staring back at you in the mirror. Let's break this down. The market doesn't have a personal vendetta against you. It doesn't know you, your financial goals, or the fact you just took a big loss. It simply moves based on supply and demand, a collective of millions of decisions. The real problem is that as humans, we are wired with emotions that are terrible for trading. We're fighting against thousands of years of evil. Think about your own trading experiences. Have you ever felt that itch to just place a trade, even when your strategy didn't give you a clear signal? That's boredom and impatience talking. You're sitting there, watching the charts, and you feel like you should be doing something. So you force a trade, and more often than not, it's a loser. The market didn't trick you. Your impatience did. Or what about after a loss? That stinging feeling, that need to win it back immediately. You jump right back into another trade. Maybe you double your size. You abandoned your rules, all in a desperate attempt to make up for the last one. This is revenge trading, and it's one of the fastest ways to blow up your account. Again, the market is just being the market. It's your emotional reaction, your ego, that's causing the real damage. And then there's the classic trap, cutting your winners short and letting your losers run. You have a winning trade, it's up a little, and you get scared. What if it reverses? You think, so you snatch that small profit, feeling relieved. But an hour later, you see it ran 4 or 5 times what you made. On the flip side, you have a losing trade. It hits your stop-loss level, but you tell yourself, it'll come back. You hold on, hoping for a miracle, as the small loss turns into a catastrophic one. This isn't a market problem. It's a fear and greed problem. Fear makes you exit winner's alley, and a toxic blend of hope and greed makes you hold losers forever. The most successful traders aren't the ones who know some secret indicator or have a crystal ball. They are the masters of their own psychology. They understand that trading isn't a sprint. It's a marathon of patience. They're perfectly comfortable doing nothing, just waiting, sometimes 4 days, for the perfect setup that aligns with their plan. They know that their real job isn't to click buttons, but to manage their own emotional state. They treat trading like a business, with a clear plan, risk management rules, and zero emotional attachment to any single trade. So, if you truly want to beat the odds and join the successful 10%, you need to shift your focus. Stop searching for the Holy Grail system. Instead, start a journey of self-mastery. Keep a detailed journal of your trades, but more importantly, journal your emotions. Why did you take that trade? Were you bored? Angry? Scared? When you start to see the patterns in your own behavior, you can begin to correct them. The market rewards discipline, not desire. It pays for patience, not passion. It's not about being smarter than everyone else. It's about having more control than everyone else, especially over yourself. Forget about outsmarting the market. Your only job is to outsmart the person who wants to sabotage your success. You master your mind, and you'll master the markets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into trading psychology.